So now we've dealt with the cash receipts and deposits. Let's talk about the cash disbursements and the payables. So line number 6 refers to how many checks do you write each month? Now, what do you think their answer is going to be? Again, I don't know. So what do? Ask them, do you have a bank statement handy? Okay? Because a bank statement usually shows the number of checks processed that month. Then just say, was that a normal month? And if it was, and they say, you know, you look at it and there were 17, as there were in Barry's Gas and Groceries case. Here's their 17 checks right here. Okay? You look at those Barry's Gas and Groceries checks, and then you realize if that was a normal month, the answer is 17. So let's go ahead and write that down for number 6. Number 7 says, how many active accounts payable vendors do you have? Now, why do we need to have that, do you think? Because of the subsidiary ledger. Every vendor is going to have a subsidiary ledger page. That means a little bit more effort, keeping track of those and writing the information down. That's almost like a whole different transaction. And so we're going to ask them, how many vendors do you purchase from using credit? Now, in Barry's case, he only had one, and that was the Husky Oil. And so the answer for line number 7 is 1. Okay? Then it asks, how often do you buy from those vendors? And if you only have one vendor, you're going to ask them, well, let's look. On Barry's Gas and Groceries, he bought from Husky Oil 4 times during that month. Is that normal? He says yes. So let's go ahead and write down 4. And finally, we get down to the last one, number 9. That is the only one that Barry's doesn't have. You might want to write flooring next to that, because that's what it applies to, is flooring.